Assalamu alaikum grade 3, how are you? I hope you are doing well. In the last lesson you have learned how to multiply by 11 and 12. For this lesson we are going to learn how to divide by 11 and 12. So let's start with example number 1. For a field trip, 33 students went to the Science Museum. There were 11 microscopes. Each was used by an equal number of students in a group. How many students were in each group? What do you think, grade 3? How can we solve this problem? How can we find how many students were in each group? To find that, we have to find 33 divided by 11, or of course we can use this symbol, 33 divided by 11. To solve this problem, we can use any of strategies that we have learned before. We can use a known fact or a related multiplication fact like 11 multiplied something equals 33. I think you memorize 11 multiplied by what equals 33. It's so easy. Did you say 3? If so, you're totally right, grade 3. So 33 divided by 11 equals 3. This is the unknown. And we can find it using another way. We can use counters. So if we have 33 counters, we will partition them into 11 equal groups, just like this. If we have 11 counters and we partition them into 11 equal groups, we will put 3 counters in each group. So the answer is 3. So there are 3 counters in each group, and the drawings show that 33 divided by 11 equals 3. So there were 3 students in each group. So good. Please, grade 3, be sure to write the answer in your book. Now let's solve example number 2. Maurice bought 48 eggs. They were packed in cartons of 12, just like this one. Each carton has 12 eggs. Now the question is, how many cartons did Maurice buy? If he has 48 eggs, how many cartons did Maurice buy? To find that, we have to find 48 divided by 12 equals what? The same for this question. To find the unknown here, we can write a related multiplication sentence. So 12 multiplied by something equals 48. This is the unknown factor, but you know now that 12 multiplied by 4 equals 48. So 48 divided by 12 equals 4. So the unknown is 4. So Maurice bought 4 cartons of eggs. If you cannot memorize this fact, you can draw equal groups of 12 to find 48 divided by 12 equals what? Now let's solve the question number 1. Use counters to find the number in each group. 44 counters, 11 equal groups. What do you think, grade 3? If we have 44 counters and we will partition them into 11 equal groups, how many in each group? So 44 divided by 11 equals what? You know that 4 times 11 equals 44. So 44 divided by 11 equals 4. Now let's solve question number 2. 36 counters and 12 equal groups. How many in each group? To find this, you can memorize 12 multiplied by what equals 36. Even if you cannot memorize it, you can simply add 12. You can use repeated addition, add 12 many times. This is the first group, the second group, and the third group has 12. Now let's see if we add 12 plus 12 equals 24, plus 12 equals 36. So if we have 36 counters and 12 equal groups, we will have 3 counters in each group. As you know, by commutative property, 3 times 12 equals 12 times 3. So we can use this way to find 36 divided by 12. It's much easier than drawing 12 groups and then partition a counter each time. It's much easier way you can use it. So 36 divided by 12 equals 3. Now let's see question number 3. Use repeated subtraction to divide. It's the inverse for this way. In repeated subtraction, when we divide, we have to start with the largest number and then we will subtract 12 each time. If we subtract 60 divided by 12, that's equal 48, and then 48 minus 12 again equals 36. 36 minus 12 equals 24. Now 24 minus 12 equals 12. Finally, 12 minus 12 equals 0. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We subtracted 5 times, so 60 divided by 12 equals 5. Now it's your turn in grade 3, so please try to solve them by yourself. And then when you finish, you can check your answers here. The same for the next page. You can check your answers here. The next 2 pages are your homework grade 3, so please try to solve them by yourself. And then when you finish, you can check them here. And here you can check my review and the fluency practice, page number 487 and page number 488. And this is the review, page number 489, page number 490, page number 491. That's enough for today, grade 3. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.